So to remove this, you try to get a pry down inside. I just put this there, I'm not putting any pressure, I just put this there just to raise it a little bit. This is a metal flat bar. You don't want to use this because you're gonna damage your trim. And you put this there and you just pry on it. Once you get it up halfway, you just pry the rest out. Give it a good tug and it will come out. You can unplug. Sorry for the moving camera. And you pull these. This is a 30x. I'm sorry, a 30 Torx. It's 4 of them. Then you can lift this out. And if you look, you can see right there where the coin is. So that's what making the noise. This coin. So annoying. What you can do is to get this, because I opened this up before and I didn't see anything here, is to kind of do a hard reverse stop and let it roll back. Or maybe you go forward, I guess. Like when you go forward, it rolls back. When you're taking this off, prying this off, you got to go all the way around and try to take it off gently, so you wouldn't have no problem. Maybe you get something with a sharp edge. Oh, it's a 10 cents. That annoying thing. It's just so annoying when you're driving. Alright folks, just put it back the way you took it out. So please like and subscribe. Questions in the comments. Thank you.